Thanks a lot for getting us all of those details on crude. But with that, let's move on and talk about the latest revision. In the latest revision, the government has halved the windfall tax on crude oil to 4,900 rupees. This is versus the 10,200 that we had earlier. So Sonal is joining us with the details as well as what brokerages have to say on the likely impact. Sonal.
Thanks a lot for that. Well, definitely it's a big positive that has come through, and it was largely expected also. So windfall taxes, they have been cut on crude oil production, that is the domestic production, to 4,900 rupees per ton versus around 10,200 rupees per ton earlier. On diesel export duties, they have been reduced to 8 rupees per litre versus 10.5 rupees per litre. Petrol duty remains nil, and ATF continues at 5 rupees per litre. Now, CLSA says that yes, it's a good move, but remember, it is a $9 per barrel cut that we are looking at, which compares with a $10 per barrel cut in crude prices that we've seen in the fortnight. Right now, it is at the lowest level since we've seen at the start as well. But this still keeps the post-tax oil realizations for Oil India and ONGC at around $78 per barrel, while these stock prices are factoring in realizations at $45 to $50 per barrel. So there is a possibility of an upside. Just to give you some perspective, when these rates were decided back in July, the initial crude oil taxation was 23,250 rupees per ton, diesel was 13 rupees per ton, ATF was 6 rupees and petrol was 6 rupees. So there has been a substantial fall from those levels in tandem with decline in crude prices as well. And Jeffries yesterday did mention in their note that they see the possibility that export duties on diesel and ATF could be withdrawn in the near future itself, and they estimate a $2 per barrel impact on Reliance's Industries' overall refining margins from the ongoing export duties. So if that is removed, FY24 EBITDA would see a boost of around $1 billion, and it will also remove a key regulatory overhang. So it looks like the trajectory is towards withdrawal of these export duties. Of course, a lot of it also depends on how crude prices move in the near future.